Okay guys, so I've been updating my anycubic i3 Mega, as you guys might have seen. If you have seen the other videos, you might know. So today I removed the bottom here, the bottom plate, which is this one right here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 really small screws. I think it's 2.5 torque screw. Yep. And in order to remove the plate, you'll have to take these two feet down here, just to slide it that way. Okay. Now, I've changed the stock stepper motor controllers, these ones, and you have to look closely underneath. It says the pinout. And the most important ones are the ground one here and the EN on the bottom here. So up there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can give you some light. Yeah, up there on the corner there, okay, there's EN. So the ground will be on the other side there. These ones are the new TMC's 2208s. And because I didn't want to invert the plugs here, I just upgraded with new firmware. I can show you how it's done. It's actually really simple. Okay, so we come here to the computer. We open up Cura. This, well, I know it looks like a tablet PC, but it's actually a computer. It's a Microsoft Surface Pro. Yeah, 4 or 3 or something. Well, you know, it works really well. Anyway, let it open. Now, you were provided with the USB cable. You are going to connect it here. After you plug, you put your new TMCs or stepper controllers. After you put it in the right orientation, you're going to plug your PC with your USB, turn the printer on, don't do anything else for now. Then you have to come here to, let me see where, okay, settings, in Cura, printer, and manage printers. Okay, I already have done my firmware update. Then you come here to update firmware. Now this area it's gray for now, but when you do have your computer connected to your printer, this part here, upload custom firmware, okay, it will open a window which will show you this folder here, okay. So I have downloaded it and I'll put the link in the description. If there are three firmwares available. One, if you just want to upgrade your firmware to have more control over your printer, it's this one with stock drivers. This one, which is what I've used, is the firmware with new TMC2208, but with the stock, with the plugs in the stock orientation. And then there's this one for people who want to put the TMC2208 and reverse the plugs. In my case, I use this one. It's working okay perfectly. So yeah, then you just hit it and the Cura software automatically starts upgrading or updating your firmware. It takes like, I don't know, 30 to 40 seconds. And as soon as it says firmware update done, you're all set. You can go ahead and close it and disconnect your USB cable from your printer or your computer, and then just restart the anycubic. One thing you'll know that everything went well is when you turn it on. There's no longer the song in the beginning, and then if you come here, you actually have, I think it's set up, no, what is it, more. I think we have something which is, well, status maybe, no, like, well, anyway, now you know your firmware is updated. There are several firmwares out there. This one seems to be working great. Now, next video I'll be configuring the E-steps, the new E-steps for the new head, or the new hot end, or the new extruder actually. Okay guys, so another video, hopefully it will help and remove some doubts that I know I had. And yeah, now I'm just going to put the voltages right, which is on the ground. It's the ground one is over there where it says ground, and on the adjuster itself, that's the voltage. You want to go between 0.8 to 1.0. That's the optimal voltage for these stepper motors. Anyway, if you feel them too hot, reduce a little bit the voltage. If you feel them that they are okay but maybe too slow, just put a little bit more voltage in it and it will be set. Okay guys, so that's it. There's plenty of videos showing how the voltage is regulated here. I'm just going to go ahead and do it because, you know, with one hand, and I need a voltmeter and a screwdriver and everything, and I cannot film it right now. But it's quite simple. Just follow the steps that I've said and you'll be there. Okay guys, thank you very much.